Got it.
All right, so this is the unlisted video for those of you that didn't want to see this. I didn't put it in the other one so you could see how to dispatch your frog. And like that, and cut off a leg. Like that, and you cut off the other leg. That's how you dress out your frog. And if you want to make a soup, you could dress out and get the backbone and spine, a little bit of meat that's on there, but that's impossible to just cook and eat. And the front legs as well, had a little bit for if you're souping it. Peel the skin and put it in the pot. Otherwise, I'm gonna feed the rest of the fish. And we'll take back and scun these out. You just gotta do it. You can pretty much do it with your fingers. Get it going. Doesn't take much. Get onto it. A pair of pliers would help with this if you really wanted to. Ah, man, they're slimy. There you go. And boom, you got your dressed out frog leg. Nice little bit of meat right there. Have yourself a frog leg over the fire later when we get back. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Fowler out. Bacon wrap frog leg.
It's a mean delicacy.
Yeah, right there. Look at that. The meat just falling right off the bone. Oh. Mmm. Yep. Wow. It's good. It's coming right off the bone.